because everything is paid through online banking. I still have to see that case in the Philippines without the presence of anyone. Okay, let's say ADP. ADP is one of the biggest outsourcing payroll company in the Philippines and around the world. They have 120 countries that they can operate. The reason for them that they can outsource anywhere in the world is because they have presence in different parts of the world and they can pay through their local finance. And it's good to have your local finance. Okay, so, and yours is paid by local finance? Okay, while you manage it also. Okay, so how do you want to set up yours, payrolling? Legal and management. Okay, so if you're a very strong team in Singapore and you've got extra manpower, what they do is now the trend is Center of Excellence.